What's up, everybody? Mad Murrigan here. We are getting ever so closer to the Cheltenham Festival. I have finalised my Cheltenham Festival bets, including my Cheltenham Festival handicap banker is now live. They went out there 10 minutes ago. Don't miss out. Link in bio. Colbert Sports Patreon service. Some cracking bets. I think there's 28 races in Cheltenham. I focused on 9 races. So we have bets in 9 races at Cheltenham. Do not miss out. My handicap banker is a beautiful price. I love it. Massive chance. And let's crush them this Cheltenham. Alright guys, don't miss out. I also like a golfer. Could be interesting this weekend. Christian Benazenut, 33-1. PGA Tour. 10 places. Christian Benazenut. The course sets up lovely for him. Have a few bob each way at 33-1. I'm Mad Murrigan, and I can't wait to clean the bookies this Cheltenham. Link in bio.